Hello, okay. I'm staring you right at the sun right now for a very good reason. The reason I'm doing this is because I did a couple things on this channel about how one is supposed to sneeze on purpose. And one supposed way of doing this is to look at the sun. And I think this is kind of working out here because the sun is kind of clouded with clouds. So this isn't like me looking at full on light or anything. So I'm trying to do this as just what? Hey. Alright, whatever. Okay, I've been doing this for about 4 minutes. I mean, even as it is going in and out of clouds, it's not working. This don't work. It don't work. Okay, this might work for some of you, but it doesn't work for me. So, this is a failure. The paper works a lot better, but I'm gonna keep trying other methods. But try this and see if it works for you, because it definitely does not work for me. Even there was a few times where there was sun that was direct at me, so it's not like I was looking at a clouded sun. So try this, please. See what you think.